Hello, we are Group 8. In this video, we will explain what cross-presentation is. First, let's start by explaining antigen presentation in cells. Cells breaking down exogenous and endogenous antigens, such as bacteria, into antigen peptides, and present these peptides on MHC class molecules. This process informs T cells outside the cell about abnormalities occurring within the cell. It helps T cells determine whether the cell is infected by viruses, and it allows T cells to kill infected cells or activate antigen-presenting cells. Next, let's discuss MHC classes. There are two types of MHC classes, MHC class 1 and MHC class 2. MHC class 1 is expressed on all cells except red blood cells. Peptide antigens presented on MHC class 1 molecules are derived from proteins that have been broken down in the cytoplasm. This presentation informs T cells that the cell is infected when proteins from viruses are present in the cytoplasm. MHC class 2 present peptide chains derived from pathogen taken up through phagocytosis. Only cells with phagocytic activity, such as macrophages, dendritic cells, and B cells, express MHC class 2. However, dendritic cells are the only cells that can load captured antigens onto MHC class 1. This pathway is known as cross-presentation. Now, we are explaining the need for cross-presentation. Killer T cells determine whether to kill infected cells based on the peptides presented on MHC class 1. Therefore, since the initial activation of killer T cells is mediated by dendritic cells, which present ingested antigens on MHC class 1, the cross-presentation pathway becomes necessary. The cross-presentation by dendritic cells is also related to cancer immunotherapy vaccines. The injection of anti-tumor vaccines can target specific dendritic cells in the peripheral skin tissues. After activation by the vaccine, dendritic cells move to the lymph nodes to activate killer T cells. The substantial generation of activated tumor-specific killer T cells enhances anti-tumor immunity, enabling overcoming many immunosuppressive effects of tumor cells. There is examples of antigen-presenting cells. Last, this is the most important point in this presentation, is that only dendritic cells present exogenous antigens to killer T cells through the cross-presentation pathway. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for your listening.